Okay, I'm going to do the video. Let's see. Show a handwritten note about ticket 117593888. A handwritten note. How am I supposed to get a handwritten note? I'm doing this on. Here's the ticket number right here. This is the email. Here, let me go back. Here's the Gmail. Here's the Logitech ticket number, blardy blar. This is my Gmail that we're looking at, Blanc. And I didn't get to it on Monday. Anyway, so this is my handwritten note. Show the serial number of the X52 and check that it is readable on the registration sheet. On the registration sheet. Run a test to better demonstrate and explain the problem. I think I already did that, but whatever. Anyway, serial number. I mean, I can show you the serial number on the unit. What do you? Yeah, Maisie, I know. That's my cat meowing at me because I'm not playing with her. Come on, get off of there. Okay, here's the Hotas. There's the joystick. Here's the throttle. Come on. Let's get up here. Okay, this is the serial number of the replacement. You guys sent me a replacement, and that's the serial number on the unit, the C88. Jeez. Whatever. Okay, what it's doing this morning, if you notice, we've got all the lights on here. We've got all the lights on the joystick. This guy's got all his lights on, it looks like, pretty much, except for the LCD. It comes on once in a while. Yeah, see, that still flickers. If I push on that button, if I push that button, that flickers. Anyway, and here, let me show you the other issue. See, this Hotas is what did I say? C88. This. Where's the? This is the box that one came in, and. Was it? God. My eyes are so horrible. Anyway, that says C89, doesn't it? Yeah, this box said C89. The other one. Anyway, so whatever. Anyway. So I don't know what more you want. You want to know what it does. Here, let's do this. Here. I'm going to restart. Let's restart. Let's restart and see if it'll do. See what it's going to do. So, okay, all the lights are off. Okay, all the lights come back on. It's in the boot right now. It's booting. So the lights come on. And see, then they go off. Okay, then they go off. All the lights went off. It's at Windows. Okay, then all the lights came back on. I think we might be okay. See, so, oh, and actually the LCD screen actually came on. And so on this restart, all the lights lit up. Okay, so all the lights lit up. Now normally, let's do this. Let's do a shutdown. Okay, we're doing a shutdown now. And we'll do another restart. We'll start it up in a mo once it's down. Okay, so shutdown is complete. Lights are off, of course. Let's fire it up and see if we get the different result. Yeah, boy, look at the monitor. It's dusty. Okay, so, this time, see how that one light's on? Just this one light came on. And we kind of blinked. And now this time when we restart, what do we got? We got no lights except for this thumb button. There's no lights, no lights, no lights here, no lights down here. Okay, so on this restart, we got nothing, no lights. So that's what one of the issues is. Anyway, so now so we're all booted up and the lights are weird. So this thumb button here, when I push this thumb button, here's what's going to happen. Watch this. See, we got that blinker? That's me pushing that thumb button on the throttle. So anyway, and now it goes off. After you push it the first time, this thumb button goes off. It'll still elicit this little result over on the joystick when you push it. Anyway, so that's the lights. The little finger, the little finger guy here doesn't work in game. I guess I've got to start the game up, huh? That's going to take a minute. Well, I'm going to keep the video going just for the heck of it. This will take a minute because it takes a while to start Elite. Log in with system or with Steam. Hit play. Okay, so now we got to wait some more. Hey, you guys wanted a video. The whole C89, C88 serial number thing, I'm sure, is just a little issue at the factory. The wrong controller got in the wrong box. I would imagine if you found the C89 controller, it would have a C88 box. Anyway, come on, Elite, fire up. This is how long it takes to start a game on a fairly high-powered computer. Lights are all still off. Lights are off. Lights are off. I would have cleaned up my desktop for you, but hey, too bad. Didn't even clean the dust off the monitor, so. But I'm going to do that here soon enough. Oh, we had a new driver, so this is going to take a minute. Come on. Don't lock up on me. Oh, come on. Oh, come on. There it goes. Good, good, good. Got to reload everything with a new video driver. Oh, the pain. almost done. how to, how to take this video and send it to Frontier. Say, hey, it takes way too long for your game to load. Sorry, got a finger in there. Blah, 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 blah. Okay, so we are at this point. Let's just, I'm not going to show you in game. I'll show you here. If you go to controls, let's go to ship controls. I'm not sure. Is it miscellaneous? No. Anyway, let's just, let's go to targeting. It might have been in targeting. Nope. Dang it. Yeah, is that primary fire? Is that here? This cycle previous group. Let's just do this. Here, if I click on this and I hit my fire button, it's going to change it to the fire button, the primary fire. If I click it again, let's do the little finger. I'm pushing this little finger down here. Down here, we're pushing the little finger button, and it's not registering at all in the game. See what I mean? I can escape out of that and click on it, and I should be able to, I can map this to that little finger button, but clicking on it does nothing. So that little finger button, and there are a couple of controls in here that already have the little finger. I'm going to get out of there. Okay, so the little finger button doesn't, you can't program it. It doesn't work as it's set to function. So I don't know what you do with that. Anyway, so here's the thing. The other controller, here, let's flip this. So the other controller that I had, just, you know, it was doing kind of weird little things with the lights and stuff. A couple of things didn't work, but it, of course, that was the precursor to it totally dying. So I don't know what this thing's doing. It's like, come on. Anyway, good enough.